Let's see how to set iPad view in Pubg Mobile Emulator. In the first step, tap on Settings. Next, choose Display and Graphics. After that, set resolution to the highest option. In the next step, tap on Settings. Next, open Controls. Next, modify layout and resize UI. In the next step, tap on Settings. Then go to Graphics. Then switch graphics to smooth and frame rate to extreme. In the next step, tap on Settings. Later, select Basic. Later, adjust FOV to a broader range. Off. In the next step, tap on Settings. Next, open Controls. After that, modify button size and transparency. You are good to go.